Thanks again for parking with Park My Share at Park by the Ports. Please follow these instructions to properly return your vehicle and get back to the airport. Be advised, if you are traveling with elderly or children, it may be beneficial to drop them off by the Park by the Ports entrance with the luggage to avoid having to walk back to the shuttle wait area. When returning the vehicle and needing airport transportation, arrive at least 2 hours before your desired terminal arrival time. Please use the following address to navigate your car to the Park My Share facility at Park by the Ports: 100 Fronton Boulevard, Dania Beach, Florida 33004. Do not return the vehicle anywhere but row 3, unless your host or the Park by the Ports team instructs you to do so. As you enter from 2nd Street in front of the church, make a left-hand turn and follow the blue Park My Share signs. Drive slowly past the orange check-in booth and make sure that the Park by the Ports team identifies the white Park My Share AVI tag on the windshield of your vehicle. Do not speed past the orange check-in booth without having a member of the Park by the Ports team acknowledge you and waving you on. Follow the signs around to row number 3, where you will see the Park My Share signs, and park your vehicle. Be sure to follow all of your host's checkout instructions. Once you gather your belongings, walk towards the entrance that you came from and wait under the white shaded structure to be picked up and taken back to the airport by the Park by the Ports team.